William Hall of ImprovGames.com. Hello, improviser, and welcome to another game. I have a good one for you today. Now, one of the basic principles of improvisation is a shared control. You only have so much control, and then you have to give it up to someone else. So this game is a perfect game. It's called He Said, She Said. Now, I will warn you, it's a bit tricky to teach because the pattern, although simple, is kind of challenging for people to get. Here's how it works. Start it with just two people. One person says a line of dialogue, and then the other person supplies the action. And then they say a line of dialogue, and this person supplies the action. I'll demonstrate. First person says a line of dialogue, "Hey, Jim," and the other person says the action with this phrase, "He said," as he waved. So then this person waves. Then this person does the line of dialogue, and says, "Oh, you're looking good." This person says the action. He said, as he covered his eyes. "Hey, Jen," he said, as he waved. So then this person waves. "Oh, you're looking good." He said, as he covered his eyes. So you get the idea, and it keeps going that way back and forth. It's a great playful game. Keep the playfulness in it. It can also be a performance game. It's a lot of fun. Look, if you haven't liked, shared, and subscribed, please do that. It helps keep these games going out to so many more people because together, you and I are going to make the world a playful place, one fun improv game at a time.